Happy New Day, family. Welcome to the live. Double tap on the screen. Share the live with your brothers and sisters. How's everyone doing today? Thank you, Patience, for that support. Move some of this stuff out the way. Got my watermelon juice right there. Got my water. So I'm double ready. Welcome in, family. You got your watermelon? Yes. We ready. Happy New Day, Jackie. Jacqueline Davis. That's another Jackie that joins as well. Welcome in. Double tap on the screen. Share the live. We start at 7:05. See, Jacqueline, you got a whole team now with you doing the fast. Happy New Day, Miss Kim. Happy New Day, Nikki with the word. Happy New Day, Hikiria. Happy New Day, Miss Hampleton. Soon to be Miss Abdul Salam. Welcome in, everyone. Double tap on the screen. Share the live. Crystal Love, Happy New Day with the watermelon going. Let's go, baby. See that red juice? That's not Kool-Aid, a high C. That's that good old watermelon. That red H2O. Double tap on the screen, share the live. We start at 7:05. This is day 2. Hopefully everyone had a good day that's participating in the watermelon fast. Hopefully everybody got their steps in. Man, listen, I'm not gonna lie. Them steps kicked my butt yesterday and this morning. I worked out with you guys and Faith and Fitness, and then I did my afternoon walk. These ladies wasn't ready. They were not ready. I was in La La Land this morning. My alarm clock went off and I was still sleeping, and the son said, "You supposed to be doing something this morning." I said, "Uh-oh, birds with bows. No." Can't forget that. Okay, guys, it's 7:05. We're going to do some breathing. Remember, breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold it for a count of 4. And then exhale as long as possible. Let's release everything that does not belong. Hold my bowl this morning. So everyone would take a nice deep breath. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Release. 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 Let it go. Release. A nice big sigh. Now let's take that nice deep breath in. 2, birds are here. They have been doing their job ever since the audition. Give it up for the birds this morning. Give it up for nature showing up for us, for our birds and balls to become true. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Release. Let go any doubts, any fears, anything that's going to interfere with this glorious day. Let it go. Let it go. Leave it behind. That was yesterday's problems. And today is a new day, a new chapter, a beginning of your new life. So let's breathe in some new life. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Release. Release the old life. Release the old doubts, the old fears. We're acknowledging that it's a new day. Definitely a new chance. Let it go, my sisters and brothers. Okay, guys. Gigi, look what I found. It was somewhere tucked away. Sometimes I move my stuff around and I eventually find it. But I just found it. Let's get this started. We got my neighborhood birds blessing us with their beautiful voices. So let's just relax and allow them to sing for us. welcome. Hope you get some rest. If you guys would like to put your affirmations up so we can affirm our brothers and sisters and give them some positive reinforcement. I'll start off this morning. I am grateful for a new day. Okay, Miss Jacqueline, with I am free. What a great feeling that is to be free. Hey, Cook by Nature, I am abundant. Let's go, Crystal Love, I am calm. Okay, Gigi, I receive a positive pour from my chosen family. I am more than enough. I am determined. I am hopeful. I am freeing myself from old ways. I am joy. I am peace. Let's go, Net Net. Okay, Miss Jacqueline Davis, I am right where I'm supposed to be. I am strong. Let's ground that strength. Let's ground that strength and ground it. Anissa, I am confidently creating the life I desire. Yes, Anissa. Gigi, I exude strength. We grounding that strength. Coach, I am peace. Yes, you are. Jacqueline Davis, I am a child of God. There you go, affirm your brothers and sisters. Cook, I am binding up strongholds. Let's go. It's a lot of strength in the building. It's a lot of strength. Honeygram, I am strong. Let's go. Let's ground that strength. Yeah, this bowl is singing. You are strong. You will conquer it all. Let's go. Layla, I am living in abundance. Give it up for abundance. Body by Kara, I am trusting my journey. Crystal Love and Anissa, I am patient. Sometimes I gotta work on that patience. Just breathing in and relaxing. That That breath felt good just now. Generous. I am more than a conqueror to be in my life. You are a conqueror. Let's go. I seen Honeygram put that up too. Y'all affirming today, conquering. Y'all affirming strength, strongholds y'all breaking. Crystal Love, I am thankful. Good morning, Neat Neat. I am walking in victory. I like that. SNG, I am joy. Anissa, I speak with purpose and compassion. Gigi, I experience God in different ways daily. And we're going to end it off. Well, let me do my girl, Neek Neek. Neek Neek said, I am grateful. Let's go, Neek Neek. We're going to end it off with, I will celebrate me at all times. Thank you, SNG. I will celebrate me at all times. Celebrate yourself. All the time, celebrate yourself. Oh, excuse me. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself, guys. Even celebrate the mistakes. Because you just know that those mistakes are growing and learning experiences. So that you will become a better person. Don't forget to celebrate yourself. Oh, you birds is nice. Y'all been singing all morning. I appreciate you guys showing up. Bam. Nah. They have really been showing up for their assignment. I'm proud of them. They have really been making Birds and Bowls dream come true. No more AI birds. We have the real nature right here, right now with us. So now that we have nature showing up for us, your brothers and sisters showing up for you, affirming you, giving you positive words and motivational words. Now let's lock down our chakras. Let's seal all that good energy, all that good positivity that we are bringing to you guys this morning. Let's seal it in. Let's shut these chakras down. Self-care part. This is only for us. Let's lock this down. Ladies, you know what to do. Or queens, you know what to do with that key. Put the key up in the chat And take that key, put it right here, right in your bra. Put it up in there. Don't let it slip out. Kings, put the key in your sock. We locked in. We all locked in together. We all have our piece locked in. You locked in, birds? Put your key in your nest. Don't let nobody disrupt your peace. Now let's go out with some breathing real quick. I want you guys, let me take a sip of this watermelon juice. Refreshing. Let's go. Take that nice deep breath. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Release. Release, release, release. Release anything that wasn't affirmed this morning with your brothers and sisters. Anything that you're hanging on to. Let's just let it go. And let's breathe in the positivity. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. And release. Release. Release the negativity. Release any negative thoughts. Any more doubts. Any more fears. Now let's breathe in the love. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Now let's breathe out the love. Let's breathe out the love. Let it go. We want it to be all around us. So when we breathe in, when we take it in, we're taking in the love. And we are releasing the love. Share that love with your community, your surroundings, your brothers and your sisters, strangers. Don't forget to share that love. And I'd like to thank you guys for coming out this Monday morning, starting this morning off with me with Bowls and Birds. Thank you, birds, for showing up. I think Big Mouth went somewhere. He said, that's it. He did his thing. Good morning, Big Eddie. Thank you, guys. And thank you, guys, for helping me get to 10K. I appreciate you. Thank you for showing up. Remember, I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come join us so that you can put your affirmations up. Get a little bit of sound therapy. And listen to our beautiful neighborhood birds sing a little song for you. Thank you, Born Beauty, beautifully. Thank you, Anissa. Thank you, Bunky. Thank you, Gigi. Thank you, Patience. I appreciate it because this morning these legs was giving out on me this morning. I was in my bed just like, oh, the birds are back. They want to take up. They said show over. We already heard this story. But get out there and do your 10. Don't forget to move today. We got a little challenge going on. We got the 10K steps and the 5 miles. So go out there and get active today. Move your body. And like my coach always say, depression and anxiety hates a moving target. That's so fire that she said that. I love that. Let that stick in your head. Depression and anxiety and trauma hates a moving target. So get out there, guys, and move your body. And follow my coach, StreetPoet_1125. For good tips and advice and spiritual guidance. I love you guys. Now, you know what? If nobody told y'all this morning, it's an honor to be the first one to say that I love you for free. And also, go out there and be a distributor of love. Don't hold on to it. Remember, whatever you give, you will receive. So go out there and distribute that love, my family. Have a blessed day. Peace.